So far, we have seen MCP neurons. Now let's see what is perceptron. The perceptron follows the same core idea as MCP neuron, but with one important enhancement, the introduction of weights. Weights give each input a different level of importance. Instead of simply adding the inputs, the perceptron multiplies each input by a weight before combining them. This addition of weights gives the perceptron a powerful advantage. It can position the decision boundary anywhere in the input space, not just at fixed position like in MCP neuron. By adjusting the weights and the threshold or bias, the perceptron can learn to separate data in many different ways. So while MCP neuron can classify only with strict predefined boundaries, the perceptron becomes a flexible model that can learn the optimal decision boundary